Hey, how's it going? I got this question, so let me jump into it. The question is in regards to business credit, right? When people are applying for business credit, why on earth does business credit card companies need to take a look at their personal credit? Hey, that's a very valid question. So this is how I answer it. I'll normally say this. Business credit card companies, they're willing to provide you with corporate credit. Corporate credit is the term in which you're getting funding for your business independent of your personal credit, right? It relies on the strength of your business. But that's the key thing. It relies on the strength of your business, meaning does your business have a proven track record in which you could provide, let's say, bank statements for your business, merchant account statements for your business, tax returns for your business, a payday score of 80, which is similar to a 720 credit score, but for your business, right? Do you happen to have documentation proving the profitability of your business, P&L statements, and so forth, right? So if you're starting out in business or real estate and you're looking to get access to business funding, however, you lack that said documentation, then banks may not be willing to provide you with funding. All right? Because if they're going to be lending your business tens of thousands or even hundreds of thousands of dollars, they want proof that your business is successful. They don't want to lend money to a failing business or to a business that's just getting started because they think this way. Hey, all thing this person want to do is just experiment with my money, right? So I don't want to give them corporate credit unless they can prove that they have a proven track record, okay? Now, there are exceptions, of course, right? And that's the reason why business credit card companies take a look at your personal credit because they think this way. Okay, I get it. This person doesn't have an established business yet, doesn't have the proven track record. I get that. I'll be willing to extend money or lend money to this borrower if they have a proven track record in regard to their borrowing history on their personal credit. Because this person was prudent in managing his or her own personal finances, which is indicated on that person's personal credit, then more than likely they'll be prudent in managing the finances of a business. So let's just take a look at their personal credit, see how they were managing their debts, their obligations, and if they did a good job with that, then more than likely they'll do the same for business. Now, is that always the case? Not so much, right? But it goes back to that parable, right? If you're faithful with few, you'll be ruled over much. So if you're faithful with your personal credit, you can manage those finances prudently, then maybe you do the same thing for your business. So that's how business credit card companies think. Now, don't shoot the messenger, right? I'm just sharing with you from my experience of me having over 40 business credit cards, over 400K lines of credit, and being able to think like they think because I had to put myself in their shoes, meaning they're lending me a ton of money. And if all they want is some proof of my performance, and if I lack that proof for my performance, then the next thing they want to just take a look at my credit history, then by all means, so be it. Take a look, right? So I can get access to funding. Right now, if your credit is not squeaky clean, no worries. All you have to do is just to apply. So that way we can help counsel you, and there's no upfront fees. We can help counsel you to share with you all the things you need to do to qualify. And it could just be a few things, right? But the thing is this. You don't want to just say, oh, I know my credit's not up to par. I got a few blemishes here and there. My credit's down in the toilet or whatever. Oh, woe is me. I might as well not apply. I might as well just wait. No, that's the wrong mindset. Because you don't know if there's other factors that could be holding you back, right? Or you don't know that even if you have derogatory items on your credit report, you can still qualify. Because that's what happened with me. I had a few collections. I had some late pays. I had high debt utilization. I applied. Still got funded. So you're interested in learning more about how to get access to capital so you can use this towards your real estate or business, then all you have to do, my friend, is just check the link below in the description to learn more. We have a free training for you. All right. As always, guys, to your success, continue to earn passively, live passionately. Peace.